Let's say I wanted to open several images as separate layers in Photoshop. I can select several images by holding down my Command key if they're discontiguous, or my Shift key if they are contiguous, and doing a Command O will open each one of those as a separate file. So you can see them in separate tabs across the top there. I'm going to close each one of these and jump back into Bridge and show you a way to open several files as layers rather than as separate files. So here I am in Bridge, and if I go into the Tools menu, down to Photoshop, I can choose Load Files into Photoshop Layers. And once that's selected, here they come in, each as separate layers.